Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to deploy your first deployment on Bicep. And if you don't know what Bicep is, I'm going to leave everything you need on the description. So I'm going to deploy an application on the Azure today. So everything you need is an app service plan, and a storage account. So I'm going to start with the storage account, which is going to be on the main.bicep file. So if you don't have yet, you need to have the extension on the VS Code because it has something we call IntelliSense. So if you type anything wrong, it's going to um, understand that and correct that for you. So let's let's just create storage account um from Microsoft Microsoft, yeah, that Microsoft storage accounts, um storage accounts name, location, storage account, and that's that. Okay, perfect. So there are things here that are this queue actually is on hard coded, and we actually can't have this on hard code because the SKU is something that we can have a prod or non-prod environment. So first, let's create the parameters for storage account name and location. So location, and the first thing great about Bicep is it easily gets the resource group location with this function here. However, I'm using a free account subscription here, so I'm going to just use West 3 here, and going to put the storage account, yeah, one. Uh, I'm going to leave this way, but this is called string interpolation, and we are getting the resource group ID, turning it into a unique string and interpolating it with storage. So that's it. Now I'm going to use something that's a decorator. That's something real nice here. That's all. Oops, allow it. Allow it. Um, Basically telling this line here, this line to be non-prod or prod. And what is prod or non-prod? Is a param and an environment string, environment type string. Um, However, um, what is this environment type string? It basically is a parameter which is going to receive only these two values. It is not going to be able to receive any other value. Um, and we are going to need another variable um, to decide or to conditional uh, see if this parameter is prod or non-prod. So I'm going to call it SKU name, environment type. Yeah, that's it. Um, Standard URS. So this is getting me a warning here because it's not being used anywhere. So I like it. Um, okay, that's it. This resource storage account, this seems nice to me. Okay, I think that's complete. Okay. Um, Now we need to create our app services and app service plan. However, we need to think here. The app service needs an app service plan to run. Um, so we can create something like a module on Terraform, for example. So we can create something like a module here, like it, like just creating it. And the first thing we need to is an app service plan. So let's create it. Resource, resource, app service plan from Microsoft. This one is from web, server farms one, and this one is from not using here. This one is from one, okay. And the resource, yeah, the app service too. So now we have our service plan and the app service. Um, the thing here is we created the storage account and we are going to create the app service the same way uh, as the storage account. We created the resources and we're going to create the parameters and the variable to the SKU name. However, there is something we need to tell you here. This on Terraform, for example, we were going to need to call a dependency here because first we have to have the app service plan to be running so we can have the app service. On Bicep, we don't have to worry about it because when we call something from another resource, the Bicep understands that this is a dependency. So the first, it's going to create the app service plan so it can call it. So it's simple. It's going to create the app service plan so it can create the function, the resource or something that can call it. So it's magic. It's beautiful. So let's let's just copy that. I'm lazy. I'm just copying it. I'm copying until here. Um, um, yeah, no, that's not it. True school name, provider type. Oh, why are not in? I'm pretty. Why? Environment. Why are not? Why are not incomplete in the way I like it? Should be F1 here. Uh, this is P1. Okay. Um, that's it. So I need to take this location to here, here, storage account. Oh, that's not storage. One is app. No, plan name. Okay. Um, okay. App service plan goes to the app service plan. App service goes to the app service. And the SKU name goes to SKU name. And that's complete by now. And let's go. Now we have to call the modular. We created it, and now we need to call the module app service. The same way we call the, oh, that's beautiful. That's not completely correct. The same way we call the path here of the API, we are going to call the path here, which is the module and the app service. So um, that there is no secret here. We are just calling the path. Name app service, that's hard coded. We are going to create a new parameter here. Let's just do it. Um, uh, App service name string app. Uh, this one here. I think that's the same where here and here. Okay. So perfect. Yeah, this call is perfect. And that's it? No, that's not it. That's why are you doing spoilers? Yeah, we need to do outputs because um we how can we use functions if we are not using outputs, right? Okay, so we need to create this output here from the module, and this is going to be the output. The name here is something that we can actually create. Actually, app service um host name. uh there's actually going to be a string, and this string is going to be uh yeah, the full host name from the properties of the app service. That's nice. And let me just copy that, put that into the main.bicep, and explain why we need to change that. So why you keep doing that to me? uh, okay, so let me explain. This is the output we are creating on the main.bicep, and this here is the output we are getting on the app service.bicep. So this is the same name as that. We could create anything here, but I'm just comfortable using the same name. But there is no error creating anything here because we are creating another output. But this one actually needs to be that because we are getting from here, from the app service, and we are getting what? We are getting the output, and we are getting the output from the app service, which is this module. So that's it. We are going to deploy now, and we are passing the parameters, which is the only one we are creating here to pass, which is the non-prod. And let's see what happens when we run it. It should do a start and a running by now. Let's see if it passes. Yeah, starting running, and it should go on to the platform on the portal. Let's see if it's going to create right now. It's not showing anything yet, but it's fast enough, so I'm not going to cut the video because I think it's fast enough, so I don't think I need to. You can just skip 5 or 10 seconds. Yeah, it's just create the dependence. The dependence is already created. The storage account has been created. Oh no, this is the default one. But the service plane has been created. See what else? Just the service plan. Oh, and website given name app service. Oh, the website app service. Um, yeah, yeah. Let's let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. This was just not enough for it. I didn't know that the app service had to be unique also. I I'm thinking the app service plan has to be unique. If it needs to be unique, I'm going to have an error right now because creating an app service plan. Let's see that. I enjoy creating things, not cutting anything because of that. Um, we can actually see things actually how they go because everyone gets errors. Let's see if the things are passing right now. Yeah, everything did go well. App service, let's see. Let's see if it's running. Pause. Yeah, okay. So that's it. I hope you like it. Follow me, like it. Bye bye.